Yo, the stock market is at new heights. We talked about this last week. Price targets are hit. Let's see if we can continue on to read the chart and see where the market can continue to go. Let's go. It's Stocks and Hip Hop. Thank you for coming back to the channel. You know, this is how we get down every single week. We read these charts and I teach you how to do this with simplicity. This is Stocks and Hip Hop. Please hit that notification bell. Give me the thumbs up and let me know what you think of this channel. All right, put that in the comments. And we do this every single week, so let's have some fun this week. What we've got going on with the hip hop lyric is Common. All right, we're going all the way back to 2002 in Electric Circus on the track The Hustle. All right, my man Common laid down a line for you. Some put their money up against all odds. Flipping real estate, yo, stocks and bonds. This is what we talk about every single week. And what I'm doing here every single week is fixing the problem that you have, that I had, that a lot of people have right now with learning how to read charts, is that all of it seems very difficult to do because it's all based upon past data. And I'm showing you how to do that in real time with charts right now, identifying these patterns so you can understand when to execute. So yo, hit that subscribe button and let's keep this thing moving on. All right, S&P, let's talk about those new heights that we hit. $5,234.18. We were pretty close to that record high, right? Record high is 5,261. And when we did this last week, we talked about where those price targets were. We had that 5,200 area as the upside target, and it is hit. So where can we go from here? Let's get our price targets right now. All right, make this simple. Every time you have a record high, that record high is going to be the price target. So what do we got right here? Same price targets, right? 5,200 area is still that price target. We have not really exceeded that right now. We're only off about roughly $27 from that high right now. So we can remain close to where we're at. So upside target right now is still around that 5,200 area. Downside target is going to be where we just broke out from, right? Which is going to be that 5,140 area or so. So 5,140 is where we can look. Ultimate price target for the cup and handle. If you've been following us this entire time for what we're talking about for the S&P, the ultimate price target for the cup and handle is 5,600. And we are only about 400 points away from getting there. So let's see if we can keep pushing on with getting to that price target with the S&P. Moving along to what we got going on with the Russell, and we use ticker IWM, the ETF, in order to track that. IWM closed at $205.07. And the reason why I say that with such excitement is because last week we hit those price targets that we talked about. We gave you the price target last week. Make sure you check that video out, how the upside target was around at 205. Well, downside target was at 205, and we just got there. Hit it right on the money, didn't we? 205 was that price target. So, yo, where can we go from here? Let's get our price targets for this coming week. We've continued to be range bound between this 207 to 200 area, right? We've been very volatile in between there. And you can see in the past, we've had volatility in this very same area. So it is no brainer that this is going to continue on until we get to around that upside target of 210. All right, 210 is still that upside target that we ultimately want to get to in order to break out of this volatility range. So upside target is 210. Downside target right now is a retest around that 200 area, if that does continue on for this range. So upside 210, downside 200. Moving along to what we got going on for the Dow. All right, Dow, what did you close at? $39,475.90. And last week we talked about how that 39,000 area was our upside target, and we hit that pretty close, didn't we? This is the simplicity of reading charts. All we have to understand is that we do not know where the price is going to go. All we know is that it is going to move. When you watch these videos, please understand that that is the basis of all chart reads is you don't know where it's going. You just know it is going to move. So we have to have flexibility. Those two price targets. Let's talk about what we got going on for this coming week. Price targets right now, upside target. We recently almost hit around that 40,000 area. So we just talked about how those highs are the targets. Upside target right now is 40,000. Dow, 40,000 is the upside target. Downside target is if we remain close to around this 39,000 area. So upside target 40,000, downside target 39,000. Lastly, let's talk about the hottest index on the market right now, the Nasdaq. Nasdaq closed at $18,339.44. Cup and handle looks good. We got the handle, we got the breakout, and we have our way to the upside, right? We hit our price target yet again. This is not difficult. When you follow this every single week, I'm showing you the simplicity of this. Please understand. Please watch the rest of the videos. I show you each week how this is easy. All right, so where can we go from here? Let's get our new price targets. We hit our target for the high, but check this out. We're still in that same range, right? We're still in that same range playing around. So price targets didn't change. Simplicity. That is the key to success. Price target right now is around that 18,500 area. That's the upside. Downside target for family. Let's get familiar. 18,000 to that downside target. So let's go ahead and wrap this up. Things still look good. We've respected that distance that we talked about many a times here with that 20-day moving average. How it needs to respect that in order to keep moving higher. And we have continued to respect that. So let's talk about if we have a thumbs up or a thumbs down week. Right now, I'm going to give you only the thumbs down, only because why, family? We keep it simple here. If we are at the highs, we really do not want to buy at the all-time highs. If we can avoid that as much as possible, then yes, let's do that. Let's wait for a price entry because the stock market will always reward the patient. So let's be patient and let's wait. If we can get better pricing, let's not buy at those all-time highs. I do like the market to continue to go up. And please do understand that I do respect dollar cost averaging. Every single week, let's really make this simple, all right? While I do want to show you that if you get advanced knowledge, you can buy at better pricing. But if you do not want to follow that, please understand the simplest way to get into the market is just simply buy every single week. Let's do that at the bare minimum. If you are watching this and you have not started, just get invested every week. That's all you have to do. Don't have to do anything to where you need to read the chart. This is extra. Trust me, it really is. It is a tool sharpening skill, which you are watching here. But the bare necessity is you have to get involved. So just bi-weekly, make it that easy, all right? Let me know what you're listening to for hip hop. There's a lot of hip hop out there right now that I am going to be consuming. So please drop something in the comments. Let me know that something that has investing, stocks, or whatever. Put that in the comments and we can feature that in upcoming videos. And as always, take care of yourself, family. Your health is your wealth. Take care of yourself, mind, body, and soul. A lot of things are out to try to attack those things and cause stress in your life. Get peace by making sure you take care of those three things. All right. Financially, everything can be great, but if you're not good here in your body, we can tear all of that down very simply. So, take care of yourself, your health as well. Drink your water. All right, let's drink your water. Get outside, get some exercise, and spend time with people that you love. And let's catch you next week. All right, peace.